In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Expensify. Start by opening Expensify and heading to the home screen. This is your launch pad, showing key workspaces and recent activities so you can see what needs attention right away. If you don't land there automatically, click Home in the sidebar to make sure you're in the right place. Next, open Inbox. Inbox gathers action items like reports awaiting submission or approvals you need to review. Taking a quick pass here first helps you stay compliant and prevents holdups later when you add expenses. Now, move into reports. Think of reports as folders that group your individual expenses for submission and reimbursement. Scan what's open, what's in review, and what's been approved so you know where your next expense should go. From there, explore the search view to review your expenses by date. Use the filters to narrow by merchant, card, status, or amount. This is the fastest way to confirm whether a purchase has already been captured before you add anything new. Tweak the sorting if needed so the most recent items appear on top. Jump back to reports to verify which report you'll use, then switch to the expenses view to see the raw line items themselves. This helps you spot duplicates, missing categories, or transactions that still need receipts attached. Open chats to coordinate with teammates, approvers, or your accountant without leaving the app. It's handy for quick questions like which category to use or which report a charge belongs in. When you're ready to add something, click Create and choose. Create expense. You'll see two paths. First, tap Manual to preview the fields you can fill in yourself, like merchant, amount, category, and date. Then, for speed, choose Scan for now to let Expensify read your receipt automatically. Click Choose Files, select a clear photo or PDF of the receipt, and click Open. Expensify will extract the merchant, total, and date for you. Review what it captured and make quick edits. Assign the correct category, add a comment for context, and link it to the right report or project if needed. Double-check currency, tax, and policy fields to match your company's rules. When everything looks good, click Create Expense to finalize it. Pro tips. Use well-lit, high-contrast images to improve scan accuracy. If the scan is still processing, you can continue working and it will update shortly. And if you prefer to capture a fresh photo, the mobile app follows the same flow once the image uploads. That's it. You've navigated home, inbox, reports, search, expenses, and chats, and created a clean, compliant expense from a receipt.